On today's menu, a delicious recipe that you've been waiting for to spice up your life. Masala fried rice. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This super easy and super delicious fried rice recipe you'll definitely love. Half a red onion, diced. Three long green chilies, chopped. Of course, you can definitely put less chilies in there or take out the seeds first, but I quite like it spicy. Two roma tomatoes, diced. These are curry leaves, a bit of a specialty item depending on where you are. I was lucky enough to be able to find these at a local supermarket. Now, if you can't find these, just sub these out for maybe a few kaffir lime leaves or a couple bay leaves. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. About 3 tablespoons olive oil. Onions and chilies. Tomato. 2 pinches of Himalayan pink salt. Sauté for a few minutes. About a 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. Half teaspoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons garam masala, 1½ cups leftover basmati rice. Saute for another couple minutes and you're done. Plate. Garnish with some fresh cilantro. You can now make this delicious fried rice with absolute confidence. My goodness, this is just beautiful and only needed a few ingredients. Amazing. Man, that is packed with so much flavor. It really just boggles my mind. Just a few simple ingredients and you have this really complex flavored dish. So easy to put together, and each grain of rice is just coated with that incredible flavor from the tomatoes and the onions the green chilies, and really is not that spicy at all. And you get that extra flavor from the curry leaves, a little freshness from the cilantro, and just really, really delicious. You get that little bit of a sweetness from the sweet paprika, which adds into that beautiful red color. And you get the flavor from the garam masala and a little bit of that kick from the chili powder. Everything just gets absorbed into that amazing basmati rice. And you get a little bit of that charred flavor from the frying pan. Just really, really delicious. Everything works really well together, simple to put together, looks beautiful, and is such a comforting dish to sit down with. Really, really phenomenal. I mean, seriously, how can this not make you happy? Absolutely love it. By the way, if you haven't already checked out or picked up your free ebook, you can do so in the link in the description box below. It is a 5-recipe ebook that I put together just for you to help you get started with cooking today. Plus, in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make incredibly delicious and stunning sushi right at home. And that is the masterclass that you'll really eat up. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.